Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Nightlight in Heartopia X Sanrio Event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to go to the Sanrio Characters Wonderland menu right here. And then you're going to participate in the Sanrio Characters Gacha Machine event. You can track the Gacha machine right here. Go to the Gacha machine and you're going to tap on the Gacha machine. And then you will get reward. And you need to reach a certain level to get the Nightlight, and the nightlight is from this box, this gift box, and I've already claimed this gift box after reaching level 35. Okay, now I'm going to open it guys. This is my gift box and then I'm going to open it. Oh, and I can choose the nightlight. Select one item from the following items to obtain, and I'm going to choose My Melody Nightlight. Okay, and yeah, finally I could unlock the nightlight, and we can submit the nightlight, I guess. Wait, go to this event. Okay, and we can give the nightlight. Oh, the last item cannot be sent. Everyone. You can only send it if you have more than one. Okay guys, and that's how we can obtain the Nightlight in Heartopia X Sanrio Event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.